In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply variables to text in Figma. If you've ever wished you could change names, product titles, or entire typography settings in one place and have your designs update across the board, this workflow is for you. We'll cover applying a string variable to the words themselves, connecting variables to font properties like family, weight, size, and spacing, and then using those variables inside text styles to make your system dynamic. Before we start, create the variables you need in Figma's variables editor. You can add more later, but have at least one string variable and a few number variables ready. Let's begin by binding a string variable to actual text content. Select a text layer in your design. In the right sidebar, at the top in the text section, look for the field that shows the current words. Click the Apply Variable button next to that field. In the variable picker that opens, choose your string variable. Instantly, the text layer will show the variable's value rather than static text. This is perfect for centrally managing things like names, product names, or placeholder copy when you're building demos or themes. Next, let's connect variables to font properties. With your text layer still selected, go to the typography section in the right sidebar. Open the drop-down for the property you want to control, such as font family or style and weight, and choose Apply Variable. Pick a variable from the list. Supported properties include font family, style, or weight, font size as a number variable, plus numeric spacing like line height, letter spacing, and paragraph spacing when scoped as number variables. For example, if you have a variable that defines your primary font, bind it to the font family of headings or body text. Update that one variable later, and every bound layer will switch instantly. Finally, bring this power into text styles. Edit an existing text style or create a new one, and in the style editor apply variables to the font family, weight, size, and other supported attributes. Any text using that style will inherit the variable values automatically, which keeps your type system flexible and theme-aware. A couple of quick tips as you work. When applying variables to numeric properties, make sure they're scoped appropriately, like font size or line height. If you don't see the Apply Variable option for a property, it likely means no variable is scoped to it yet, so adjust that in the variable settings. And that's the workflow. Apply variables to content, connect them to typography properties, and use them in text styles to make updates effortless and consistent.